stadium status.
Alright, hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working on my 2023 Ninja 650. Today we're going to be installing some Shogun no-cut frame sliders. Got these off of Brevzilla. If you guys are interested in purchasing, I will leave a link down in the description so you can go ahead and order some yourself as well. So the tools I will be using is these ratchets here with a 14mm socket to remove the current ones on the bike, and you're gonna need an H8 thing, whatever this is called. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm pretty new when it comes to motorcycles and working on bikes as a rider and a mechanic, I guess you could say. So I am in no way a professional, but I've watched a couple of videos, so I'm gonna try to document my attempt, and you know, hopefully you guys can point out if I'm doing anything wrong, because yeah, I want to learn how to take care of my bike. So let me know if you guys are interested in these types of videos. I'm gonna basically document me making modifications. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to start off with the 14mm. Take off the current. And just so you're aware, from the videos that I've watched, they did talk about how for some bikes you may want to put something to support the engine because some collapse. Luckily, from the videos that I've seen for the 650, it doesn't seem to do that, so we're okay on this bike. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Oh, and just so you're aware, there is a nut over here that you're going to want to hold. Hopefully that you can see that. That way it doesn't just fall through, and I can just grab it once I take the bolt out of here. If you can't see that, I'm going to just highlight it once I edit the video, but hopefully you can. It's right here, this nut right there. Alright, looks like that is out. And I'm just going to try to get the nut over here. There it is. And I like to keep it the way that it came in, just in case I ever want to just uninstall and put the OEM stuff back on. So I'm just going to save this. Alright, so next up, we're going to be installing the right side. The right side is going to be the smaller one for these. So let's go ahead and do that. So take off this nut here. Put that in there. Alright, so just so you're aware, the way that this came on was with this ring side facing away from it. So the nut looking side, hopefully you can see that, goes like this. So we're going to want to keep it like that when we go in here and install. So we'll put this nut there, hold it, and hopefully we can... Is it in? Looks like it is in there. Okay, so that's loosening it, so let's tighten it. I don't think it's going in. Oh, it's in there. Oh. Yeah, that seems pretty sturdy. I do have a torque wrench, but unfortunately I don't have a torque wrench for this size. I think what the recommended would be, and you know, correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments, but from the videos that I saw for I think it was TST Industries, they torqued theirs to 29 foot-pounds. So if you have one that can fit one of these, like, feel free to do that. I'm just gonna try to feel it out. Yeah. That looks good. Alright, now let's go ahead and start on the other side. Man, this is pretty quick. Looks like that's pretty deep. Just gonna get an extension. Reach the net from the other side. Oh, I can't get in. Oh, here it is. Hopefully you can see that. Otherwise I will highlight it for you guys when I edit this video. Alright, something's up. This thing does not want to get off. There we go. All right. Alright, so again, like the other side, I'm just going to line up that bolt. Hopefully you can see it from here. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and just show you from down here. Actually, I feel like it'll be easier for you guys. So you're just going to want to hold it here. That way when you put in the new one, it'll go right through it right there. So you hold it, get your tool, turn it, that way it just goes in. Like I said, you can still see it from here. Position it. Get the tool. This is just easier for me because I have a freaking helmet on my head. And we're just going to be stuck here for as long as the other one took. So let's keep going. And again, I would imagine it's going to be 29 roughly foot-pounds for torque, but I'm just going to feel it out because I don't have a tool that can do that right now. And again, if you see that I'm doing anything wrong, feel free to comment down below, let me know. I am here to learn, just like hopefully you get all are too. That's better, right? Nice. Alright, so this is the old one. Like I said, I'm going to keep this just in case I ever want to get rid of these. But yeah. It's looking good. Yes, sir. Cool. Well, I guess that brings us to the end of this video. So if you're over here for the installation, feel free to hop out. Thank you for joining. Leave a comment down below what you think. If you want to stick around for a little bit, I am completely new to YouTube, so if you like, you know, let me down below if you like these kinds of videos. I got a what do you call it, a radiator guard coming in, which I plan to install, so I could probably make another video on that. And as I mentioned, this is one of my first modifications because I did install a Quadlock. So that's one of my first installations. If you want me to make a video on that, I definitely can too. This was a fairly easy install, but I do have the wireless charger coming in, so I could also do a video on that. But yeah, thanks for joining me today, guys. Feel free to leave a like on this video, leave a comment, let me know what I did wrong, what I did right, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.